Hello Stampers, it's Elizabeth from StampScrapAndMore.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator located in Canada, and it is Friday, November the 18th, 2022, and I'm off work today. I have taken a vacation day because I've got a craft show that I have to get ready for. So you have caught me in my natural environment. Coffee, a table full of crafts, and guess what just arrived? The paper pumpkin kit for November. So I'm taking a break so I can do this unboxing for you, and then I'm going to get right back at creating. So let's get started. Oh, and if you're curious the noise in the background, let me just turn that down. I'm watching Gidget. This is what I do when I craft. I watch old movies. So here's this month's paper pumpkin kit, and let me get my skizzers. I love the box. Holly jolly. Not pretty. I know we get excited. I get excited by boxes and envelopes. Alrighty. So we've got Express Delivery North Pole. This is actually quite a large stamp. I didn't think it was that big. Let me just. It's 2.5 inches at the round circle. We've got a dot. Ho ho ho, ho ho ho, right there. Open me, from Santa, a cane, joy, no peeking, from, to, and Merry Christmas. I actually think I'm going to be using this on some of the projects I'm using for the craft fair. I like this from Santa. All right. And the color du jour is Cherry Cobbler. And let me just, give me one moment while I go and get them, because I have ordered them already, and I'll show you them. Do more with your crafting, home holiday crafting. It's bags. I had ordered, it's an add-on, so I've ordered them already, again, for the craft fair. And if anyone's curious, yes, I am in my pajamas. I think I was up at 5:30, and I just started to get into it. Sometimes when you've got the motivation, you just got to do it, right? Alrighty. Oh, I like the hat. I like the hat. I like this hat. Okay. Oh, they're tags from the North Pole Paper Pumpkin Kit. Oh, aren't they adorable tags? Open me, ho ho ho, from Santa, and Express Delivery North Pole. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, so we've got dimensionals. We've got some, oh, you know what? I haven't shared with you guys what the colors are. Let me just do that now. Instructions from the North Pole Paper Pumpkin Kit. Let me get back into frame. The kit contains supplies for 12 tags. Coordinating Stampin' Up! Colors are basic black, cherry cobbler, crumb cake, mint macaron, shaded spruce, and sweet sorbet. And it's got some alternate projects here. Instructions. Here are the instructions for all of the tags. And let's get going. Okay, so we've got the striped tag. I'm going to poke these out. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4 of the striped tag, and they've got like a little hole here at the top to put the ribbon through. I'll do it off of one. There we go. Got 4 of those. Let me put them in here. We have 4 of the ones in crumb cake. They're quite big tags. You know, just so if you're not a tag person, you can always turn these easily into cards. There's the 4 of those. And I did a team event a couple months ago using the Love Santa tag kit, and we made them into cards. So think outside the box, and you too can make cards. Okay, so we have a mint macaron twine, baker's twine. got 4 of those. And they go, this one, no, they go, there we go. I'm trying to match them up, but I'm not quite sure which one they match up to. Because I think, so that's one, this is one, and I think this one actually goes on top of here. I'm talking to myself, folks. I'm looking at the pictures and trying to make sense. This one, these go here. But you know, you can, till your heart's content, mix and match. So there's 4 of the hats. I love those. And 1, 2, you've got 4 of these. This goes with this one. And then we've got Happy Holidays, 4 of those, 4 of the For You. I'm not going to punch those out. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of these banners in the red edge and in the green edge. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 that are plain. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these, and they go with this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candy canes go with this one. The Ho 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 go with this one. Here we go. We've got these tags, and they've got a punch out here, and they go with this one. So you've got 4 of those, and then you've got 4 of the large tags. So these go like this, and then this goes here, this goes across the top like that. You got 4 of those. And then you've got 4 of these really beautiful, sparkly snowflakes. These goes with this one. I'm going to take these off and put them here because they're easy to poke off. Do not throw this out. There is lots of things that you can die cut out, small little stars and hearts from other dies that you have. You can use that to die cut other things out or punch things out. And while I'm here, I'm going to punch these out. They go with that. This one, there isn't enough left on it, so you can throw that out. And around, I don't know the exact date, between the 17th and the 21st, on the Stampin' Up! Paper Pumpkin page on Facebook, there will be alternate projects posted. So don't forget to check out that. And then we've got 3, 6, 9, 12 of these. I'm not sure what they're called, and they go with this one, little snowflakes. So we've got this one that goes with that. These are beautiful tags, really, really, really nice tags. And so that one goes with that, and then the Open Me, this one. Oh, and what one goes with that? The Ho 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 goes with that, like that, and so does the Santa's hat. I think I put them there already. The Santa's hat goes with that one as well. And then this one, this all goes together. And then the Open Me and the From Santa, they go with these. And that is this month's Paper Pumpkin Kit. Let me bring this back up to you so you have an idea what I'm yakking about. You can easily take this and create cards. So for instance, this one, you could use this as a card front or put it onto a card and then stamp. Oh, here we go. I have a sample here. You could use that on a card front and then pop that up. And this one today is a Cookies kind of day. This is for a project that I'm working on. And then you could use this for another card front. You could use this for another card front. This would go a long way if you didn't want to use all of these elements in one tag. Same with the Ho Ho Ho. You could break these up to create card fronts, or card candy, I think they call them, when you just do an element that goes on the front of a card. So that is this month's Paper Pumpkin Kit. But while I'm at it, I'm going to give you this sneak peek one more time, because today is a cookies kind of day. This is something I'm working on for the craft fair that's coming up in December. Oh shoot, it's December. I'm not sure if it's the 9th or 10th, but let me just go and take a look before I give you the wrong date. December 10th at the Brampton Fairground. I am the Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, so if you are in Brampton, Caledon, Mississauga, anywhere in the GTA in Ontario, please stop by and say hi. I can't wait to share some of the projects with you, including the one that's going to be using this little tag that says today is a cookies kind of day. I think that's cute. Take care, happy stamping, and I'm going to get back now crafting. Talk to you guys later. Bye.